Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best compost bins that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Envirocycle Beautiful Composter BPA Rust-Free Tumbler Bin. The Envirocycle Waste Garden Compost Bin is intended for homeowners and gardeners who want quality and large compact tumbler bin. It is one of beautiful composter you can find in the market. For that reason, you can proudly place around your home and look pleasant all the time as it will bring beauty. The tumbler drum can rotate to mix the waste perfectly and it is made with BPA-free and rust-resistant materials. Furthermore, it will enable you to collect excess materials and make them to nutrients-rich fertilizer. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Redmon Green 65-gallon Culture Compost Bin. The Redmon Green Compost Bin is actually designed for both indoor and outdoor usage. It is easy to assemble and only weigh 15 pounds, thus you can move it from one place to another with less effort. In addition to that, this bin can be able to hold a total of 65 gallons and it is made with rugged plastic resin that makes it durable as well as decorative. With the ventilation holes included, it will let air in to ensure with proper composting. You will be able to recycle your kitchen and yard waste, thus you will reduce the volume of garbage that landfills the area. At number 3, we have the FCMP Outdoor Dual Body Tumbling Composter. The FCMP Outdoor Composter is made with 100% recycled polypropylene that will provide you an extended length of time of usage as it creates rich compost for your patch. It is equally painted galvanized steel frame that is corrosion resistant and will appear perfect for many years. Mixing the compost pile has been made easy and efficient, thus there is no need to mix with your hands. Aside from that, this model feature aeration holes that let in the oxygen in the composter, ensuing deep decomposition of the waste. It also simple to use, especially for beginners, as it has large openings that makes it easy to add scraps and removing the compost. At number 2, we have the Squirm Firm Factory Worm 360 Composting Bin Farm Kit Green. The Worm Factory Compost Bin by the Squirm Firm is one of the hardest and durable compost bins on the market. It is made from 100% BPA-free materials, making it more efficient compared to the traditional yard compost pile, as it 10 times the nutrients that traditional compost produces. For that reason it will recycle paper waste, kitchen scraps, cardboard, it a fertilizer that you can use it in a garden for better growth of plants. With this in mind, it is also simple to set it up and you will be managing it in less than 15 minutes per week. It comes included with an instruction manual on some steps on how to manage this bin. And finally, at number 1, we have the EJWOX Garden 2 Chambers Compost Bin Tumbler. If you are searching for a basic, affordable, durable and easy to assemble compost bin that has a lot of space, then the EJWOX Garden 2 Chambers Compost Bin is perfect for you. It will conveniently convert the garden and kitchen waste into nutritious compost in a very short period. Aside from that, it has built-in sliding doors that make it simple to access the bin. The bin tumbler is perfectly suited for your garden and also individuals who mix some organic waste in the traditional compost bin. On the other hand, this 2 chambers has 43-gallon capacity, thus you can put banana peels, coffee grinds, eggshells or other kinds of composts. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.